Okay, let's look at this question. It says we have Michael calculated the sum to infinity of the geometric series. So it's 3, 9, and 27 as follows. So he said that sum to infinity, the sum to infinity is equals to a over 1 minus r. So the formula is correct. We can see that, and we're going to go through the substitution. But now let's look at the question. Explain why Michaela's calculation is incorrect. So now what we're going to do is that let's try to analyze this. Is the formula correct? Yes, this is the formula for sum to infinity. So the formula is correct. But now, what is the value of a? It's 3. That's correct. What is the value of r? The value of r, we know that r will be equals to t2 divided by t1, which will give us 9 over 3, which is equal to 3. So the value of r is also 3, which is also correct. So this tells us that the substitution, everything is correct. So if you punch this on the calculator, you get minus 3 over 2. So now let's explain why is this calculations incorrect. Because remember, we have what we call a converging series. So we said that a series is converging if the value of r is less than 1 and greater than minus 1. If you find out that the value of r is less than 1 and greater than 1, therefore your series converges. If your series converges, therefore you can find the sum to infinity as what? A over 1 minus r. If and only if your series converges. We can only use this formula if r is between 1 and greater than minus 1. So now let's look at this value of r. The value of r is equal to 3. This 3 is greater than 1. So it's not between this boundary. Therefore, you cannot calculate what? You cannot calculate the sum to infinity for that series. So to answer to answer this question, we're going to say that the series, this series is divergent. Okay, this series is divergent because we have r as 3. Since we have r as 3, we know that to find the sum to infinity, the value of r must be between minus 1 and 1. This should be your answer. We cannot find the sum to infinity for this series. Why? Because the value of r is 3, which is greater than 1.